Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we will be doing an unboxing for the Great Bead Extravaganza Softlex Company Design Kit and exclusive bead mix and bead strands. And it is for Just Peachy. Any tutorials I will be making with this design kit, I will make a playlist for on my YouTube channel. I will leave a link down below in the description. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. So we have the beautiful Just Peachy bead strands as well as the bead mix. This is our bead strand. Just love the turquoise and like kind of that rose gold color and the peach tones. And this is our bead mix. Let's open up our bead mix and see what's inside. So here is a sampling of our bead mix. These are just beautiful and they're the same color as this big one here in our bead strand. And usually with the Softlex design kits, they sell out really quickly. So if there's a theme or a colorway that you really like, I highly recommend getting it early so it doesn't sell out. These are pretty, these gold beads, and they have a weight to them. So those might be a little too heavy for earrings. Super pretty. The yellow, oh, these ones are pretty. Like a crackle bead with the peach, because peach fuzz is the color of the year, but they almost have that matte finish on them. So super pretty bead mix. Oh, and the little flowers. That will be fun to design with. So you get a lot of beads in this bead mix. So I'm super excited when I open up this Peachy kit to see how these beads are going to work with it. We have our Just Peachy kit. And they always give us a little information on it, what's included in our kit, and then we do have some exclusive items. I remember with the Great Bead Extravaganza for the last one, they had a lot of Tiara Cast and Green Girl Studios, so that made it a really special kit. That was the Tree of Life. So you have some specialty like check glass in there. So this is going to be a really fun kit. And then it looks like it's in a gold metals, and then they have, oh, rose gold craft wire. That's gonna be super fun. I love the color rose gold. It's such a pretty metallic. And then the one I'm excited about is the Just Peachy Crystal and Pearl Mix, and that will be available on Softlex Company. So everything else is already available on their website, minus that last one of the Just Peachy Crystals, and then the exclusive items. So I open up my kit, and right away, it's amazing. Spill the beads time. These are cute. So I guess we'll start with these since they were already trying to open. Oh, how pretty. So this is our Just Peachy Crystal and Pearl mix. Oh, the little butterflies. I love butterflies. For little yellow ones, like a yellow swallowtail. How cute are these little beads? And the flowers, pearls. Oh, this is just beautiful. This mix will be available on softflexcompany.com on July 17th. And they usually don't have a lot of them. So if you really like this mix, better order it while you can. This is like the little crystal mixes that they had in other design kits where it's kind of a random assortment. So you might get like 3 pink flowers, or you might get a purple flower instead of a pink one. How cute. This is beautiful. So when we take all our little butterflies and flowers away, this is our mix. How pretty. And then just maybe add in a little bit of that peach color from the crystals from our bead strand. For our full assortment of the Just Peachy Crystal and Pearl mix, then we have a couple of our exclusive items. We have the check glass peach pearlized ovals. So they're just little pearls, but how pretty. See, everything just works so well together. And these are gorgeous. They're green and orange. How pretty. And these ones, they're exclusive to the kits. And they are the check glass peridot orange and clear ovals. And then we have 22 gauge rose gold wire. How beautiful is that? Have our feeding wire in turquoise. So pretty. Could see this even pairing with like a tanzanite color and then maybe doing like a braid with the turquoise wire. I'm excited to see what everybody creates with this kit. And we have a few more of our specialty findings. We have gold 2x2s and then some more exclusive items, check class turquoise saucers, as well as check class turquoise gumdrops. Oh, I see some findings in here too. Oh, how pretty. Let me sort out my little earring components. These are just beautiful. So right away, these kind of have a little weight to them, but these are so pretty. Right away, when I see these, I automatically think of the gemstone Amazonite, one of my favorite gemstones. It's just so beautiful, this color. Very unique for a turquoise, but it's going to look really well with that turquoise soft flex wire and then paired in with that just peachy bead mix. Very unique beads. How beautiful are those? Those are my, I will call them my little Amazonite check glass. Then we have a lobster claw in golds, a couple ear findings to make our earrings, and then these are exclusive components, and they are 25 millimeter gold-plated chandelier connectors. Those would be really fun to do the pearl mix off of them, or even a couple of the little butterflies. So this is a super fun mix, and this is just Peachy, a beautiful mix, beautiful, wonderful design kit from Softlex Company. We're excited to start creating. I have some ideas already coming to mind with them in this beautiful color palette. So stay tuned for upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Have an awesome day.